Hello everyone, I am Luke Saragiarakiat. In this experiment, I will demonstrate network management using software-defined network controller in Cisco Packet Tracer. So I'm going to open Cisco Packet Tracer. So the objective is to understand how a centralized controller manages network devices, monitors the network, and controls traffic flow efficiency. So I'm going to the topology. You can see the network A and network B. So multiple switches and PCs are connected and central SDN control manage all the devices. So instead of configuring each devices manually, the controller centrally manage the entire network. Now I'm going to open SWN1. I'm going to CLI. I'm going to type enable enable and typing the password. Then I'm going to type configure terminal. Then I'm going to type enable secret secret then I'm going to type username Cisco secret Cisco 123, then IP domain hyphen IP domain name, then cisco.co, then typing crypto key generate RSA. So here they're asking how many bits in the modules. So we have to type 1024. Then I'm going to type IP SSH version 2, then light VTY 04, then login local transport input SSH, then type end. So that's all for the CLI. So we have to close this SWN1. So here I have configured enable this configuration enables secure SSH access. So the controller uses this to communicate and manage the switches securely. So here now I want to open PT controller. So the PT controller one, going to config and uh, gigabit Ethernet 0. So now I will configure the SDN controller. Here you can see the IP addresses and the gateway also here. You can see there. So this IP addresses allows the controller to communicate with all network devices in network A. So closing this, I'm going to PC0. So here is the PC0 and going to desktop, then taking web browser. Uh, I'm going to type HTTP semicolon double slash taking web browser once again. So here I'm going to type HTTP semicolon slash 192.168.1.100 and semicolon 58,000. So closing this. So here I have access the SDN controller using a web interface. So like here the username is Cisco and the password Cisco123. So this controller dash okay. So it shows the network health status, number of hosts and devices connectivity percentage. So this provide a centralized real-time overview entire network. So the host is display all the connected end devices show IP address and status. This helps in monitoring all the users and network. I'm gonna type click in topology. This is topology view. This shows the router, switches, PCs, and displays how the devices are interconnected. So in SDN, the controller decides the path and switches simply forwarding packets. This is useful for troubleshooting and analyzing the network trafficking flow. SDN uses centralized intelligence where controller decision making switches packet forwarding. This improves scalability, flexibility, network control. Thus, a centralized network management using SDN control was successfully implemented. The controller provided monitoring, visualization, and control all over the network devices, demonstrating key SDN connects. So that's all. Thank you.